Hey guys, what's up? This is Anany from Anany's Tech and Car World, and guys, today I'm gonna unbox the Apple's new MacBook, which is the MacBook Pro 13-inch, the 2020 variant, which is recently launched. And guys, this is actually my birthday gift, which is given by my parents to me. So guys, now let's start our video and let's see that how is the new MacBook Pro 13-inch. So guys, here is the box of the MacBook Pro, and when it arrived in my home, I was really very excited and I removed the pull tab, but then I remembered that I have to also make a vlog. So now let's unbox this. And here is the box. Yeah. And here is a MacBook placed. So just let me keep it aside for a minute. See the box contents, and in this packaging you will get the paper box, and here it is written designed by Apple in California, user manual, and as space gray Apple stickers which look really very smart. Then here below you will get a 161-watt charging brick to charge our MacBook. And then here is one USB-C to C 2-meter long cable. So guys, now let's talk about our MacBook. Just let me keep this box aside over here. Then here is our MacBook. So now let's unwrap it. And here is our machine. Yeah. So guys, now if I talk about the specifications of this machine. So this have the 13.3-inch Retina LED backlit display with True Tone technology. Then it have 2 GHz quad-core Intel Core i5 processor with turbo boost up to 3.8 GHz. Then this has 16 GB of DDR4 memory and 512 GB of solid-state drive storage. This have Intel Iris Plus graphics with 4 Thunderbolt 3 USB-C ports, support for high-speed I/O and video out, headphone jack and stereo speakers also. Then this have Touch Bar and Touch ID, full-size backlit Magic Keyboard. Then it have FaceTime HD camera with pre-installed macOS Catalina. So guys, now let me set this MacBook Pro up, and then I will meet you to talk about this MacBook. So guys, now I am done with the setup of this MacBook, and now let's check out the overview of this MacBook Pro. So here is the gigantic trackpad to navigate this MacBook Pro, and then here you will get a full-size Magic Keyboard, and then here is the escape button which is dedicated, but in the last MacBook, the 2019 one, it was built in with the touch bar only. And here is the Art touch bar with a dedicated fingerprint scanner. Then guys, here we have the speakers on both of the sides, here also and here also. And this is the Retina display of this MacBook, and this is really very amazing and obsessing display. And then if I talk about the ports, so on this side you will get 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 3 ports with a headphone jack, and there is also 2 more Thunderbolt Type-C ports. Friends, here I have one accessory for our MacBook, which is USB-C to USB 3 connector or adapter. So now let's check this also out. And this is also of Apple only. And then here you will get a paperwork. Then here is our connector. It's stuck over here. What? stuff to take out. And now let's take it out. Yeah. So we can connect this over here, just like this. And then now we can connect a camera or a hard disk or any pen drive, because it's very useful, because this don't have any USB 3 port, and I have many things which can only be connected by USB 3 cable. So yeah guys, this was the overview and the review of this accessory. Also this our massive MacBook. This was an unboxing, review and overview of this new MacBook Pro 13-inch, the 2020 variant. I hope you like this video, share this video and send your thoughts in the comment box. And guys, till now if you have not subscribed my channel, so guys please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will be notified from my all the videos first. So bye bye for this time.